Now is lucky between down calm between Vaishnavas and unlimited merciful and all brothers merciful Guru Parampara. They are kindly giving us good opportunity, good chance. In this life, not doing any sadhana. Vaidhi sadhana has no confidence, no where to starting, where going. Oh, you follow it very well, but there are no fruit and result. Why? Vaidhi where to come? Vidhi, rule and regulations, principles, Shastra has this training, but not this particularly one way to. But Ragmarga, Ragatmi Brajavasis, this heartfelt touch and heartfelt love, that thing is not little thing. That Raganuga Bhakti, this is blind Mahaprabhus here to come, then Rupa Goswami, Aladar, Brajavasis, they are this Rag Bhakti Prachar for their king. Not other things. Vaidhi Bhakti, not today, until Satyajuga to all time is Vaidhi Bhakti running. And this is non-stop. Why this is? People as clear, otherwise they cannot fully rule God happiness for and rule regulations is Vaidhi Bhakti. But Rag Bhakti, only Ragapni Brajavasi and the Rag Bhakti, Anurag. This Anurag, other person is distributing, Shastra giving, other person giving Vaidhi followers, not possible. Therefore, our question is here, Guru Varga, when Mahaprabhu causes mercy on Vedaparikaruti Mahaprabhu came, Anga Panga Astra Bhasha Sangye, Nache Bhava Murati Guranandi, Gavata Kalijuga Pavana Nam, Ramai Srishta, Nadia Dham, Parihare Nama Krishna, Jadavaya Nama, Dadavaya Madhavaya Kesavaya Nama, Gopal Govinda Ram Sri Mahaprabhu starting this kirtan, and Mahaprabhu going door to door, everywhere, and giving this pure राग रागमार्ग भक्ति जो करी तो प्रचार हो प्रेम रस नित्यास करते आश्रम एक दूरी ले तो महाप्रभु प्रकट now all are very lucky महाप्रभु या गोस्वामी जार continue present अनुराग राग प्रगति बदमाशी continue present without रागमय उपासना रस उपासना God happiness for nothing any other way. Only this line is best line. So now is all I is hearing Keshav Brata. Keshav is Brata. Sankalpa. I am giving this Braja Bhakti, Braja Prem and Rasa Vasana. But Sadhana Siddha, many Ramchandra giving his own or Dhandakarna rishis or Sutjari, Spitjari, Parishachari, Mantra, Veda Mantra, all are came by Mahasi Ramchandra. Yeah, other than Sadhana Gopal Mantra, now they are in Brajamandal. But Nitya Siddha is no contract, no respect, and their heart is not melting, Bhakti is independent. Bhakti not possible with the sadhana, this you get it correct when you are this make your good will. This is not possible. Bhakti, person go vyakti vajnatra. This is your plan. Bhakti, very independent. Bhakti. See, Bhakta's heart is present. Bhakta's heart is melting. They are looking. Bhakti Devi kindly. She's calm. Mataji ka to meri chakravarti would very nicely explain. So now, Krishna, all Sadhana Siddha and one side Nitya Siddha. Sadhana Siddha, our respecting, our learning, will be took center, will be surrender, and will be followers. Therefore, Krishna came. Krishna starting brother. Krishna himself, his wife, Krishna said for love everybody. They continue chanting Gopal Mantra, lot of time, many million crore years. But Gopal is now came, Gopal को थे. वह कनिष्ठ अधिकारी और श्याम को हराए. जो पूजा में श्रद्धे होते. न तो भक्तिशु चरणेशु प्राकृत भक्त प्राकृत. They like God. They do archa. They like puja. They have love for God. But God person, God family, God near and dear is close to God. No. Therefore they are कनिष्ठ अधिकारी. Next is Ishare Tadudineshu. First time Ishare Tadudineshu. Baliseshu Isheshu. Prema Maitri Kripa Vekha. Jagarati Samadhyam. When Madhyamadikar are coming, Ishar, God for love, but God for words, God family, God person, for more respect and love. Why? They are teaching me. They are taking care of me. I am doing thoughts and guilty is some wrong. God not telling. But what followers are, they are like is glorifying me, showing me you going the wrong way. This line is not good. Your desire is not good. Your understanding is not good. Your conception is not good. Your idea is completely wrong. You follow. Footstep of God near and dearest. So near and dearest are all time is take care of us, telling us, and purifying us, helping us. Otherwise, God not directly. Why? God no also independent. God is saying, giving inspiration, not follow. Then there will be demon against. Therefore, Sadguru, Mahabhagavad also never telling anything directly. They are telling this Acharya Bali Shastra, this order, instruction. All Acharya, this is rule, order. You follow must be, will be happy. You progress coming. Why they disobey Guru, disobey, then Aparad, Namaparad, Dhamaparad, Vishnuparad, Shivaparad, then lost everything. But therefore Krishna came, Krishna started, okay, I am now helping, teaching, and everybody I am making is good relation with this. This relation is not easy thing. One family has 4 persons, mother, father, brother, sister, but no relation. Good. One another side, running here and there. But this God family, big family, over not only until Vaikuntha Golok, Vrindavan, they are going also. All are is one family, one heart, one mood, one tendency, all are active. Each other giving respect. No crowds, not people. All time they understand on words and people. Anybody telling that, oh, not excuse me, forgive me. You are my good friend, well listener. You are my real friends and helper. Otherwise, nobody teaching, nobody helping, nobody telling. All are negative hating. All are keeping distance to us, but nobody by love. No. Filtering and purifying us. Not telling us guilty. Somebody chastises, faults is looking, kicking. Get out. But no kind. Look, Sanatana Goswami is near. On Brahmin thing. Where to? Varanasi. What is said? Oh, Gosai, Shiv Thakur sending me purely. Whose purpose? Oh, I am very poor. My daughter is young, marriage for I need some wealth and money. Then she says, I am Babaji, I have nothing, only one copy and door. I have nothing. No house, no room. Where to I am giving you wealth? She does not tell lie. Now, see, yes, you need something. Look there, Tasco. Now he taking Tasco, he is very happy. What he is saying, Sanatana Goswami is near. Sanatana Goswami not is cheating and not is kicking anybody. He like anybody came Vaishnava near, Gurus near, he never kicking, not cheating. They are giving his real wealth. Therefore, if he is gone little distance, he is thinking, why he is throwing this Tasco? He not like, he not using, he not making house and building and temple and making anything. Why he has more very special things. That he is doing this one. Also this one I am thinking, anybody attacking, killing me, or will be against an enemy. In your way, there is big problems. Nothing, Niskinchana Kinchanam, Vaitama Kinchanam Gocharam, then God is telling, oh, I am giving many things, they are not taking, they like me, they are Kinchanam, Niskinchana. Then God is with them, good relation then. So now Sanatana Goswami is going, but Sadhu Sangha, Sadhu Darshan, Sadhu is talking, Shiv Thakur sending, and what happened? He changed. He said, why are you giving me this one? This one is not very valuable. You will have more special thing, that one giving me. And Sanatana Goswami say, yes. Throwing everything, yes. Throwing, then he is giving. He has one disciple in his life, not too many, but all are his disciples. This is called Agamabhakti. This Rag is giving. This love is giving. Brahma Bhakti is giving. These things not available, not possible anybody giving this love. Selfish people only doing enjoy for each other as relation. But after some time, or breaking, smashing, not possible. Why? Love is only selfishness. Enjoy for recreation. But God love, not like this. So this Krishna is now, is Krishna for the time, is teaching. Yesterday when I was hearing, Krishna kindly he glorified Ganga Devi, Saraswati, Jamuna. So now somebody telling Ganga Devi has 4 arms. Why? Krishna has no 4 arms. Saraswati has no 4 arms, 4 hands, and she has 4. But any Sakha, any Sadhak, any Sadhana Siddha, there is looking, Krishna is calling anybody, but then they have doubt coming. What they thinking? Oh, and the ordinary girls stimulating is come. No respect come. Lajjana mata. Brichandra Prabhu thinking, mother, my mother, but is ordinary. But after he is looking, she is forehead. That is, she is very popular and famous, very powerful. But he is loud. Now Prabhu is gone. Now taking Diksha. People have really something opulence, sometimes. So now Gangadhar first came 4 hands and she is helping everybody. I have blessed with Krishna, desire, mercy. But they have any gunamaya? They have bodies, any gunamaya? No. But what she is cleaning them? This order has also were proud. This much, they were very popularity or desire. This much, no. All are misconception. I am, how I am respecting, how I am following him, his junior, his new person, ugly. They have many thinking. I am Krishna Sakha, but this Gopis and Manjari there, how they great? I am great, I am Sakha. I am continuing Krishna, morning to evening. And this Gopis and Manjari is crying only, weeping, cleaning, cooking. How they great? How I am respecting them? And their mercy needed, bliss needed. Otherwise, Krishna not care everything. Sakha know everything. But sadhana siddha, there are also some ego. Right? Chaturanga writing. Bhavdasa, after prem coming, but before prem, also praiki, something saving, not everything giving. So this is after discussing. Now is running our way. There is sadhana siddha also like Sonagati Rishi. They are going Sutta Goswami Jnana. It is 2 years. Sutta Goswami speaking, Sonagati Rishi hearing. Oh, old senior. But first not telling Sutta Goswami. Oh, Sutta. Sonagati addressing. Oh, you are disciple of Sutta Goswami. Yeah, Pandit Prabhu give you post and position. Okay, you speaking again. After his speaking about this Sutta Goswami, who is Sutta Goswami? जम प्रवृंदामपेत कृतम द्वैपायन विरका तराजु भाव पुत्रेति तन्मयता तरवो विरदु तम सर्वं तरिदस्तम मुनिमान तोस्मि. My Guru Maharaj, but he is giving Diksha, accepting him, but he is accepting Guru. Then Guru looking and checking what is following my footsteps, meaning my all literature, advice, instruction. Then he is real Shishya, disciple. And Gurus may have taken Diksha but not follow Guru, no instruction. How is this Guru? Guru has accepted. Now, many 60,000 people is hearing. Only one disciple, Sutta Goswami. Other, they have doubt. They hear him. After now, they ask him. Then one chapter, Bhagavatam, Sutta Goswami, only explaining Atma-tattva soul, knowledge for. You are Brahmin, you are senior, you are old. But the soul, his body, your body is soul. Is separate. Explaining. After explanation, then rishis are offering pranam Sutta Goswami and telling addressing Sutta Goswami. Really, is no child. His soul is very close to God and God person, Gurus. All are doing tapasya, but lot of knowledge, but useless. Why? Only soul purpose, your soul is no relation and affection, no connection. He has this. After their respect, all time addressing, everything asking questions. Similar, now Sadhana Siddha, everybody came. Nitya Siddha is nearby, but Nitya Siddha with his no connection, no respect. Krishna, what is saying? These gopis are Manjaris are, how is greatest scholar? Oti Sutannaya Bharti Bandhoma, Oti Vilingate Anna Achuta Gata, Sadhana Marti Padanta Hitva, Veje Mukunda Padavi Sutu Nityam. possible. Huh? They are everything cut, everything reject, everything left. Krishna got Pranam. Without Krishna, they don't know anything. That gopis' glories are anybody not know, no understanding, no respecting them in this world. Who helping? Who is giving this Rag Bhakti? Unnata Ujjala Rasa, Prema Bhakti who giving? What your love, Saka has half, servant has fourth, that's the rasa. Pastor has 1/3, but incomplete. Without Madhurasa, Singarasa, not possible. This Rag Bhakti is necessary. Otherwise, 1/3 is full, 1/4 is then contaminated. No cleaning. Madhurasa has this power, sweetness, everything, removing. Completely. Then Krishna light. Therefore Mahaprabhu came. These things is distributing birth. Unnata Ujjala Rasam Savaprisya. This giving birth. Manjari Upasana, Oviva Upasana. Chaitanya Charitamrita Kaviraj Goswami writing. Goviva Bina Napai Krishna. These gopis, without shelter, there are no mercy, no understanding, anything. Krishna now, this Bhakta time, Krishna glorifying. First glorifying Ganga. So now I am just now telling Ganga there is 4 arms. One Bhaktas devotees are asking, why 4 arms? Then I am thinking I am beginning to tell it. And 2 hands, that is not for protection. 4 sides I am running here and there, you know. This side, and 4 hands there. This side goes, 1 hand catches, 1 hand, 4 sides to protection coming. We are there, this purpose. But no ordinary people have ordinary idea. And even girls scheme, ladies scheme, why am I respecting? Something need is of Durga Devi 8 hands. Durga Devi. Devi, Mahamaya, Adyasakti, all are respected. Why she is tridents, she has all arrow and bow, she has sword, she has many things. All scared. Then 2 hands, saying you will go on girls is completely. 4 arms, then it is respected. For his position, yes, you are goddess, you have something. Otherwise, front of my brahmacharis, when we came, Janapa Thakur came, we have Parmasarita as respecting. Narottam Thakur no, Jivoswami no. Other person what say? Why worshipping this Janapa Thakurani, one lady? Why not worshipping Durga? In Bhakti Ratnakar, many things explaining. She is going here and there giving classes everywhere. Brajmandal came 2-3 times. Narottam Thakur near Kheturi gone. To many places, she is all time going prachar. But people like asking. Virchandra Prabhu had also like this question. But one day he is watching how Janapa Thakur. Then understanding. Then put center. But he has now taking picture. So these some misconception people don't understand. Therefore Krishna is here. Sometimes the Saraswati also in our Arvind Pustakha Devi Saraswati Bharati Namaste. She is also 4 hours of this come. After Jamuna Devi, just now yesterday I am starting Krishna glorified Jamuna Devi. Very nice glories. But now I am with other one subject. This Krishna out teaching. Otherwise I am going Jamuna Devi's side now, so this month is going to finish. No time there. Now I am going one thing starting. After I am Jamuna Devi's glory stand with a little bit tattoo explaining. I remember it. Why? Very important things. This Paraprama Prapti, the Brahma Gatri, Aghanam Lavitri, Jagatchuma Dhatri, Pavitri Priyanu, Gopur Mitra Putri. Without Jamuna Devi's mercy, Vishakha Devi's mercy, Kalinam Devi's mercy, no, not possible. Harniya, all Gopis are crying, weeping. They thinking instead going Jamuna, doing suicide. Jamuna Devi what doing? Calling Brinda Devi. Hey Brinda, come. Purnas Bhagavad Yogmaya come. Nandi Mukhi come. Why? Giving, helping them. They are not 2 years, 3 years. Their heart is pain, crying only, suffering, not possible telling any other. Why? What happened? Krishna's blood is hearing and Krishna's for now. Heart is melting and Krishna's for crying. How can serving, how can pity? My parents are kicking, giving marriage, young men, all going outside. Lost Krishna Seva, going Vishweshwar Braja. Oh, how protecting. His health is, body is everybody looking, but not look at our heart. And all wish and lost. All this pain for their suffering. Then Jamuna Devi helping. So no problem. Brinda Devi came, Brinda Devi giving mantra. Say, I know your pain, I am arranging for you. 1 month you start worshipping and mantra chanting. All like her and your desire fulfill. No possible going out of the job. One Hindi clearly. ब्रज की बेटी और गोकुल की गाय कर्म तो परदेश को जाए ब्रज की बेटी any Brajabhumi has lady girls they are married outside or then they are bad person bad luck they are now already dead. Outside is your kormi, bogi, they enjoy for ready, all time smashing, squeezing and after destroy. Why not worship me? Why not follow me? Why not enjoy? What is Krishna? Why following or why serving? Why will Babaji this and that abusing? But inside the Mandal, no like this. Then this is now and also Gokul ki guide. Brajabhumi has many cows. This is Hindu cow, Vaishnavi cow. One Hindu cow and Muslim cow. Muslim cow, Muslim are killing cow, and the Muslim are get battling cows. They eating everything. You go outside, all eating everything. And then cows are very danger. Then next they go in Sarana house. And Vaishnavi cow, Bhakta cows, Bhakta's houses. Worshipping. Everybody serving. How is milk? Everything. And it's danger for Muslim cow. Western country going Christian cow. That means and milk is bad smell. But Hindu cow how is praised, how is healthy. They are not going here and there. They all time worship. Now bad person, bad luck, going outside, then all milking. They telling this is cash cow. Western country telling cash cow. I must know what is cash cow. When this cow giving milk, after milk selling, they are making water in that. After milk is finished, they are selling silver house. Money. Otherwise, they give you forest area 500, 600,000 cows. Food they giving everything. Healthy, all silver house. So cash cow. But Brajamandal, these cows is worshipped. How is these cows? Looking automatically your respect for desire comes. How is their nature? You going offering pranam, worshipping them, your heart will be clean and Krishna therefore take care of this cow. This is not Hindu cow or Muslim cow. Hindus also take care of cow. After milk is finished, selling starter house, Muslim. So then Muslim eating cow, Hindu they are selling cow with all money eating, then they are more Muslim, more bad. Cow is all time serving, helping you. Old age come, selling. And how is you? Therefore, very lucky Brajamandal, two cows not going outside. And Gokul की बेटी ना मतलब ब्रज की बेटी और गोकुल की गाय परदेश कर्म पे तो परदेश को जाए तो this is happened. Now Krishna himself is now doing Sakha are asking, oh Krishna, 1 year, after 1 year is Brahma stealing or putting inside cave after Bakasur death, then Swakha cows, calves, all are inside his cave. And 1 year, Krishna is that right? Present. Or Swakha's body which is, calf's body which is. Now 1 year after Swakhas are going house. Like they are going same day, but they don't know. 1 year after going house. Then looking, my house is one gopi. All house. Swakha is surprised. Why don't come this ladies here? Or mother telling your wife, father telling your wife, how possible? I'm not married. Just now I'm in forest and come back. They don't know 1 year passed already. But all houses, already marriage finished, 1 year announcement come. All marriage is finished. 100,000 million crores marriage finished. Now, Swakha are asking next day, good Krishna said, Krishna, Anaya, hey bhai, your house is also one copy? He said, no, I am gone in my house. My house is one copy there, one ladies. I'm telling you, how possible? I am not married. I never see very nice one of serving, cooking, cleaning, everything doing. Then Krishna said, one thing I tell you, what? You are gone is Urasur, no thing said. Yes, he said. That time all poison, you are senseless, you are like death. Then anyone take out and killing this Urasur, and after and giving Venkashanjivani mantra, Vishalyakarani, medicine, and after I am thinking your body has all snake poison, how will be clean? Since these babies here, cooking here, no tantra mantra. Tantra mantra Vishalaya. One is scholar. All are going in your house, cooking for you, serving for you, don't thinking your wife. They are respected and rewarded. Worshipping them. All time worshipping them and following them, they are good sleep. Don't thinking my enjoy food stuff. Otherwise, more poison, your cars coming, you will be dead. Swakha say, yes, they are totally tasty. They are serving very nice, cleaning, everything. But they are all time chanting Krishna. Your name. Say, yes, I am your friends, also they are friends. Mine here is everybody is great and scholar. Also anybody like me, I am all time with them. Also they are helping me. Don't be worried. They are purifying you. Then Swakha says, making friendship. No thinking marriage. Therefore, in Brajmandal, anybody is not is like mundane and so on. Krishna saying before, Maya, Vishtakiyam, Kamo, Kamaya Kalpate, Bhajita, Tatra Dhanya, Jepaya, Vijaya Nisate. Any who eats their rice frying after planting, not growing. Similar, anybody offering Krishna's self, own heart, everything. They are inside is never coming this desire, independent, lust, fire, anger, other things not come. Already they are offered, and Krishna's they are offered, and like dry fry, all green. I am cheater, not cheating. I say Krishna, I am you, but I am not Krishna. I am sharing others. My time, my love, not for Krishna. Then how Krishna cleaning everything? Then thinking, oh, I am suffering, too much lust for me, I can tolerate, oh, this and that happened. Why? So, you are Krishna telling Swarupa, Sarva Dharma Paritij, Mamekam Swarupa. Krishna telling, Davidasa Gunamai, Mamaya Durutya, Mamavide Prapadante, Mayamadam Taranti. You offer me, Maya, what doing? Tilgunmai Maya, 1 second I am thinking, nobody coming in here. You will be free. You are my friends. You are my all. So Krishna now, this Swakha telling, after Krishna starting, your house is Radharani, one Maharaj daughter, yes. Your house is Kundalata, yes. Chitra, Champakrata, Sridevi, Gangadevi, Bhudevi, already got married. Your house is? Yes. You know? Then Krishna sitting, glorifying, fasting, Radharani. How Vishwana Durvasa came, midnight. Hey, Vishwan Maharaj! What he come? Hey, I am king. Yes, sitting. I am very hungry. Okay, I am arranging anything you like. No, I like kheer and malpua. Midnight, 1 o'clock, Maharaj, you wait and cooking, Kritika cooking. No, Kritika cooking. To my mother, Mukhara cooking. No. Oh, your daughter. My daughter will 2 years, 2.5 years, 3 years. How she cooking? No, she's cooking. I am doing meditation. I know her prasadam cook I am eating today. Tonight just now. Now, Vishwan Maharaj, Radharani already know everything. And she is Saraswati, Aladin Shakti, and Anandini Shakti. She is quickly gone kitchen and not small malpua, you know, Jagannath Puri going, or malpua is thick and big pieces. Complete day 4 malpua making, Jagannath Puri. Complete day eating pure ghee. Jagannath is eating very nice. Oh, he is chewing and smiling on this malpua. He is thinking it Brother Vasya Rapu. So this is small poor. No. One here is one, Brahmandal is one, Vinizas top. मालपुआ बने तो 7 कोस पैदल जाए. Indian malpua cooking and feast is arranging kheer and puwa. 15 kilometer, 20 kilometer walking and going there. Puwa and kheer, very special. This Durvasa now telling I am eating kheer and puwa. Now Srimati Radharani cooking malpua. How is this food? Now sometimes our Brahmacharya are cooking and cooking. Oh, how is that? No, very nice cooking. Now she is cooking, kheer, malpua, all ready and bringing and giving. Now Durvasa sitting. Is all eating. 2 hands with this, not 1 hand. Malpua and kheer or drinking and eating. Sometimes I am doing Bhandara, Govardhan, and I am complete night making malpua. After morning kheer, I am on mixed sabji. I am inviting Babaji, all sadhus. I am thinking 100 sadhu, how much it is? 100 kilo, this white flour, this king is making malpua, lot of malpua. And kheer, 100 kilo milk. Sabji one big one. Oh, Babaji there came, when Giriraj Govardhan, they are sitting. One on Babaji, 10 malpua, 15 malpua. All kheer finish, sabji finish. Our brahmachari sadhus all are going for there, nothing. Good smell, Giriraj eating, then he is bhakta. So sometimes Gurudev Mercy causeless. He is also Mati Bhagavan, sometimes present, sometimes my knowledge Dharmasala. Before our time there, sometimes Gurudev tell me, today only kheer and puwa. Sometimes in Varsana, Parikama time, then I am going Nandagaram, today Gopastami, only malpua kheer. And nice khichdi. Not in chili khichdi, spicy. Gurudev like basmati rice, nice peas, paneer, cashew, almonds, reason, very nice kitchen. Oh, that day, how is this program? Durvasa is eating, and after anything left, everything is very good. All body smiling and thinking and inquiring, chanting Radhe, 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 and he is mad and dancing, crazy pagal. He forget, like child. Front of parents or maybe they are dancing. Now Durvasa is complete more than child. So now Krishna saying, look, Srimati Radharani's one story. How many glories Srimati Radharani? Then all are respecting really. When they are present, see Radharani, my house. I am my Jyotirlinga, mother and sister in your wife. How possible my wife? I am not married. That time we will know who. Krishna, 1 year, married with Krishna. Abhimanyu, Abhimanyu. But you see, he is that day too, he never entered in this house. Was sleeping, outside of house, garden, on chapai, khatia, and cow shed, there is sleeping. Never come inside. And all time respecting Radharani. All time. Jyotila tell you, what happened? You not going to room? Why? No, I am not disturbed. She is our baby. He is glorified. Sometimes, mother saying, okay, I am going checking. Who is there? But looking going there, Srimati Radharani alone? No. One Sevika. Who is Sevika? Bhadrakali. She is serving. Very happy. Oh, devis are coming and serving Radharani. How she is great. Radharani came every way to, all way to, many sweets coming, laddu coming, cloth coming, gold coming, silver coming, Nandamamandu coming, everywhere coming. She is very happy. Yes, my son wife is very special. But she don't know anything. No brain. Name is Jyotila and Kutila. Jatla, Patla, crooked mind. All time doubt and crooked. All time is insulting, hating. Therefore, name is Jyotila Kutila. Anybody has this jet lock meanings? Inside the jet lock, like jewelry. All time, never fail. Good things making jet lock. To that person. But Radharani is near, absolutely different. Respect. Then Shokhajar. Oh, how is this Radharani? Also, what say? Look, one time, Jastamata, Radharani's birthday, Radhastami, and Vishwan Maharaj invited forward everybody, all Brajmandal, Nanda Baba for, Krishna's for, Shokha's for, Jastamata's for, making 3 car, big, nice chariot. While Krishna, Shokhavit is coming on car, and Jastamata, Chugmaya, Purnasi, Bhagavati, they are with one car. Baldev Prabhu, Nanda Baba, which is coming, another car. All road is decorated. Flower petals, nice one, spray water. How? All arranging Vishwan Maharaj, also Vishwan Khor, big kundo, lake. There, early morning, all are come. Shokas are all dancing, playing, and this car is pulling. Now, Nandava came, went down with Baldev Krishna, all waiting for gone, giving Vishwan Maharaj new dress, turban, all Amrakha, everything giving, gold, silver, turban, chain, bangles, bracelets, ring, all. How many came? All the rivers came. Rishi Maharshi came, Brahmashita Bashi came, all the Mandal come. Then, Radharani's darshan for all are thinking. Big stage meeting, big singhasan. Why? All are offering Pushpanjali Abhishek. All being blessed. Senior elder. Then Rishi Maharshi telling, okay, today is all are Radharani's for doing Abhishek. You reading this Madhav Mahosab, the Goswami Prabhu, then you understand how he explained. Gopal Chapu, Anandavindavan Chapu, how he explained. So now, all this much shooting. But Srimati Radharani very small now, baby, part green. Vishwan Maharaj taking lap, bringing and giving seats, Singhasan very high. There is all are running fan, summer. She is wearing cloth but covering place. Now all are giving place, they are taking, but she is very busy. Why? Vishwan Maharaj has desired this Srimati Radharani only for special cooking for Durvasa? No. Her prasadam cook, Krishna, Nanda Baba, Jashoda, everybody eating, all Brajavasi eating. Then they are understanding how is Srimati Radharani. But she is only now 2.5, 3 years age. But Jashoda asking, where is Vishwan? Kritika, your daughter, say in kitchen. Kitchen? Nobody cook. You're near? No. She is alone and her Shakija expert. See, only this much baby girls, she is cooking. Say yes. Then Jastamata, Uti Rohini, or this Kundalata, Dhanishya, other her or ability one person from is looking 550 fire feet, or big kitchen, or self, how many things she is cooking, making, all ready, good smell, very soft, very tasteful, but good smell coming, it's not a surprise. How possible? When starting cook? Or just Radharani only touching, looking, all gold for silver pot. Sandalwood, Chandan, wood, sandalwood is cooking. No smoke, good smell or good mandal. Mandavaga is sandalwood garden. And Vishwan Maharaj more garden. Only cooking for. Why Chandan trees has no flower, no fruits. Only oil and the sandalwood cooking for. And why this summer season, you little tasting Chandan, smelling body, cooling like ice cream. And cooking, how it tastes food, good smell. Or I'm cooking with bad food, then some smell coming bad. But this sandalwood has how good smell. So now Srimati Radharani cooking, all silver and all old pots. Many things cooking. Just another surprise. After now bringing about Vishwan Maharaj Radharani and stage, Singhasan, then all are senior, elder is giving place, giving presentation, glorify, dancing, singing, there is big program, Nanda Baba, all the singers is pleasing, giving gifts and everything. After, now, one by one, elder, senior after, now Nanda Baba, all friends in this camp. They are also giving gifts and presentation, some Pushpanjali. Now, rishis are telling, doing Abhishek. Now, Pushpa Abhishek, Kanaka Abhishek. 9 types of Abhishek. One by starting, finish. All. Then Srimati Radharani, but his nobody watching, no look. Only feet is lotus top up, but only this much. She's covered all body. Now all are desire, one time she is giving darshan. Or Rishi Maharshi, everybody requesting. Or now her friends are, Sakris are, Mandirs are, they are also singing, dancing, glorify, doing arati, many programs. Now Sakhas are, Krishna is king, now say yes. Now offering all are Pushpanjali, but they are very nice things. Krishna playing flutes, Sakhas are, they are Benu, Betro, Bishan, Singha, also Mridanga, Kahar, Dhol, Dak, they starting Kirtan. Dance. How is this program? Oh, Sky 2, demigods are offering Pushpanjali, Parija, Adada, Lava. Gandharvas are singing, they are playing. Oh, Namo say, really Vishwan Maharaj, everybody pleasing, everybody happy with this Srimati Radharani. Why is it Anandini Aladini Swarup? Her mercy, her Upasana, puja, how is powerful. After what happened? Little later, Srimati Radharani taking Singhasan to, then Sakhas taking Krishna and putting his Singhasan. All are now Prasadam for ready. All sitting. Krishna near is Sakis are being Radharani. 1 minute for sitting, but after take down. Very secret. All are here and there, now nobody. Only Sakis are bringing Radharani and Sakhas are but meeting, darshan after one. Now Krishna sitting with him, Baladev Guru, Baba, Nanda Baba, all. Rishi Maharshi. Now what happened? Prasadam distribution start. Rohini Mata, other side Jyotsna Mata, Kundalata, Dhanishya, many other things distributed. Now Prasad is clean. Nanda Baba, one side Baladev, one side Krishna. They are also small. not too big hand. Now Nandumar, one hand with the enemy, Baldev, one Krishna, also eating in little bit. Madhumonga there, all Saka thousand. One was eating and what dancing, what is telling? Hey Gwale, you are, what is eating in a house? Husk and wrap. Look, this is called prasadam. He dancing and glorifying and one like Malpua, samosa, sweet kachori, all laddu eating and dancing. At a time, somebody came. Oh, one sound is came. Oh please, this is Vishwanpur, prasadam's time, no like shouting, no like dancing, no too much disturbing, prasadam respecting necessary. Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Looking nobody, or line by line, all sitting. Guru scared, natural. Who is speaking very sweet tone and melody. Looking, Radharani has one parrot. His name is Sugar. He is now walking, gold, his anchor bells, his wings is gold like, he is very nice, also not small, very bigger. Radharani all time take care her kids, she is giving milk and rice, giving pomegranate seed, giving chili, ripe chili, good sweet chili. He is speaking very sweet. Now he is line by line walking and he is dancing here, anchor bells, is nice. And he is telling, this is Vishwanpur, this is Varsana Dham, this is Radharani's place. Please, prasadam respecting, nicely taking, this is better for us. All regarded, respected, all are respect necessary. He is speaking good, and also Radha chanting, but Radharani teaching. And what? Sri Krishna Govinda Hari Murare, Inata Narayana Vasudeva, Jagdeshwar, Krishna Vishnu. He is teaching many things. And now he is glorifying Krishna, and sometimes Radharani glorify, and all are surprised. How is this one parrot? How is this qualified? Radharani is mercy on parrot for, he is now no Ved, Shastra, Upanishad, all things given. How is speaking, singing, all surprised, eating. Jasdamata looking distance to Krishna eating, all color is changed. What? This Umrah, how come? This prasadam. Eating is garbage is hotel and dhaba. Baba and Hava. There will be Hava and Baba. You eating this prasad. Jasya prasadar bhagat prasad. Jasya prasadar bhagat kuto. Telling prasad is sarva dukkhanam. 100 से हो जाएगा. प्रश्न चित्त से आज बुद्धि पर जरूर दिष्ट है. No bhagat prasad. You eating is this cow's food या cattle food. You eating this Muslim and dhaba, Baba, Amma and Bamma, Papa. So bhoot and pret, that will be bhoot pret, ghost and witch. Therefore, Srimati Radharani Prasadam eating, everybody saying, heart melting, tears is flowing, sweating, or something. Surprise. Jasdamata look like Krishna, how much eating today? Krishna skinny, black, now Krishna color change, face change. Baladev, everybody happy. Jasdamata thinking, I am really useless. My Krishna never attend my house. He is going another house. Early morning stealing. Definitely they have much capacity and power, they have special power. Now Srimati cooking. After Jasdamata, all finished prasadam, now mothers are all sitting. Rohini, Jasda, Radharani is for Jasdamata taking left. And one hand with the Krishna's for giving, she is giving Radharani. Radharani very shy. But with the Abhishek all are king, Jasdamata all are feeding. After feeding, what doing? She is crying. Why? Only for not Radharani. Krishna's for my Krishna never get here. Now this prasadam very special. Radharani is full. Then everything finished, all, then Jasdamata holding hand, Rohini, crying and praying, oh Kartika, please, you sending Radharani, I am sending Pariku. She's going my kitchen, only looking and little bit cooking for Krishna and coming. Mukhara, very angry. My granddaughter going your near is working for serving for? Huh? No, not possible. Never. Krishna was here. He said, no. Krishna, every day come here and anything I have no problem. My daughter never. Jasdamata, very disturbed. Nanda Baba, all Nanda Gram, everybody, I am holding him, feet, Vishwan Maharaj and Mukhara, no, Kritika, Radharani, please give permission. Not possible. Then, Jasdamata thinking one way only. Purnamasi Bhagavati, she has all power. Going and calling, requesting, please, you making on some solution. Otherwise, Krishna never eating. Nothing, no drinking, no resting. Now, Purnamasi telling Krishna, calling Mukhara, Kritika, Subhanu, Vyadbanu, Bhanu, or brothers, what say? Jasdamata, not ordinary. She has surname Jashoda. All our harmony. You not following and not respecting Jashoda, your all just is going. Everything will be lost. Also, she has grown up with herself. All she wants, she happy with Jashoda. All times she is serving everybody. Therefore, she is requesting, rather than going, very quickly, it is going and coming back. So we are going with her, not thinking any problem. Jasdamata, love and affection, how much? Krishna Maharaj said, I am thinking, but not now. Like Krishna every day come, all Nandagram come, no problem. But my daughter, then Jasdamata going there, Krishna Maharaj, big basket, full of bull car, full of this car with this car, 3 car, full of things, fruits, flower, sadam. They are telling our Sampradaya, Gaudiya Sampradaya, Mahaprabhu Sampradaya, without Radharani, anything is, everything is contaminated. Sin. But Srimati Radharani is mercy, God's, And then Buddha Bhargava, our teaching, going kitchen, first praying Srimati Radharani, offering pranam, calling her, Krishna's kitchen, you everything maintaining, you doing everything, all are nothing. Then everything is well and good and very nice. Otherwise, everything is useless. So then, now long time, Jasdamata, when Lord was right, she is praying Rishi Maharishi, she is praying Siddhaguru, she is praying Vasim Narayan. So, anyhow, this one will be happy and sending. All time she is sending lot of basket, ornament, jewelry, many gifts. Anyhow, after long time after this marriage finished, now she is about. Then she is Jasdamata, Abhimanyu for Jatlakulas for giving a lot of boxes, presentation every day. But Abhimanyu is like his Jasdamata's relatives. And he is agree, they are agree, why she is very guilty. Now, Radharani coming with Shoki Jabatu. How Jasdamata's love for Radharani? Coming, taking lap, smelling head, and sweating, running fan, and more than Krishna, 1,000 million time, she has love for Radharani. So this Radharani's glory is, now is Shaka's near, Sadhu Sindhu's near, this of the time, back of Govardhan, Krishna start glorifying. After, now, tomorrow hearing little bit, Lalita Devi's glory, Jamuna Devi, one by one coming, Vishakhamani Jamuna. Then I am thinking, first Lalita Devi's little glory, then starting. Our Kudraj Goswami writing, Kumkumapta Kanchanamja Garbhahari Gaurava Vitalancha. After in the Saurabha, so this Sloka it is. Also, this Raghunath Urgoswami, Govardhan, Gandhara Pratana Dasura, Vrindavan, we will go how is glorified. Then Krishna more than million times is glorified. Then aura and respect come for Radharani. And Radharani is glory. Then respect is everything. Respect, then hate coming. And then life will be successful. Other thinking Radharani ordinary one lady, this and that, then lost everything. They don't know way and process. The Krishna teaching, not glorifying, aura has no hate coming. Shaka has some hate for Krishna. Now Krishna starting his glory. After one by one, now Sundays for hearing. Then for understanding how is our special God. Not it is ordinary, very special. All are very lucky. Understanding, no understanding, anything, follow. One day realization coming. But deep faith, deep love, deep attachment, very fast. But no faith, doubt, time pass, some sleeping, some avoiding, some neglecting, some wastage and destroy, and their long life will be. Brajamandal came, Brajam, but Brajapati Vas, Aranga Hayas, Monar Kirtan Karo. Anything that Karo, Japon, Buddhist Sandra. Came Brajamandal, but not Muragui Bhakti, no Ragapuri relation. The life is only spoiled, destroyed. No, like time is very costly, very valuable. This time coming, your life coming, no guarantee. Where is not to have praying? Oh, Dogma Balakare, Kosaya Saydore, Baba Padiya. Una the Kibakari, Ezana, Kesidori, Tanya, Loa, Brother, Baba the Kiavalo, Nova, Pram, thinking not to come. Now is good time, good opportunity. After what happened, no guarantee. How long? Life, yeah, how long? Good association. Everything broken and all finish destroyed. This chance will come. Now not avoiding, not neglecting. Deeply, faithfully, respectfully, follow. Then realization comes soon. So now is here today. Tomorrow next. Good one.